This is not just another scientific experiment, it's a revolutionary step for humanity. Japanese scientists have recently developed a type of artificial blood that is not only compatible with all blood types but can also be stored without refrigeration for an extended period. This breakthrough could provide a lasting and effective solution to the global blood shortage crisis. Traditional blood transfusions come with numerous challenges. Patients must receive blood that matches their blood type, otherwise, severe complications may occur. Additionally, blood requires cold storage and must be used within a few weeks. These limitations often prevent timely access to blood in emergencies, especially in rural areas, war zones, and disaster-struck regions. In such circumstances, the artificial blood developed by a Japanese research team is nothing short of remarkable. It has already been tested on animals, where it successfully saved lives following critical blood loss. These trials point to a massive scientific breakthrough in transfusion medicine. This synthetic blood is completely universal, meaning it can be transfused into any patient without matching blood types. Moreover, it can be stored at room temperature for up to 2 years. That makes it ideal not just for emergencies, but also for remote regions where basic healthcare infrastructure is lacking. This invention opens new doors for the medical world. Whether in the aftermath of earthquakes, on the battlefield, or in under-equipped rural hospitals, this artificial blood could be nothing short of a miracle. It will be especially useful in ambulances, mobile clinics, and military operations where rapid access to blood is often impossible. Currently, preparations are underway in Japan for human clinical trials of this synthetic blood. If these trials prove successful, millions of lives could be saved worldwide. The scientists behind this invention view it not just as a medical achievement but as a moral and humanitarian duty to give hope to those who perish waiting for a simple blood transfusion. This is not the success of one lab or one country, it is a triumph for all of humanity. A moment where religion, borders, and identities fade away, and what remains is the universal value of life and the shared mission to protect it. The concept of artificial blood has now moved from theory to reality, and it will not remain confined to Japan. In the coming decades, it could be found in every hospital, every rescue unit, and every emergency room across the world. Not only that, but in the future, patients who are often denied surgery due to rare blood types or shortages may also benefit from this technology. Experts predict that if human trials succeed, this blood could become commercially available within the next 5 to 10 years. We live in an age where the speed of scientific advancement is staggering, but true progress lies in turning that speed toward the betterment of humanity. And that is precisely what these Japanese scientists have done. They haven't just solved a scientific problem, they've responded to a human need. This invention will not only be recorded in medical journals but will live on in the prayers of mothers, in the survival of wounded victims, and in the smiles of orphans whose lives were saved by a single pouch of synthetic blood. This success teaches us a timeless lesson: when humans truly care, they get closer to the divine. When driven by compassion, technology transforms from machine into miracle. This isn't just a medical invention. It is a new hope for survival, dignity, and the sanctity of human life. And if all goes as planned, then one day, when people ask, how did we solve the global blood shortage? The answer will be, Japan gave the world artificial blood and saved it. And perhaps one day, when we tell future generations about how a small pouch of synthetic blood saved millions of lives, they'll ask in amazement, "Wait, blood, without a human donor?" And we'll reply with pride, "Yes. Because when humans become humanitarians, anything is possible."